Welcome back. This is round 2 Afternoon TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. The scores are Ensom City Primary on 4 and Hagley Park Prep on 3. Before we go into the Junior Challenge face-off, just a quick addition to an answer. For the social studies, in which Jamaican parish is the Roaring River? The answer was Westmoreland, but there is also one in St. Anne, just so you know. It's now time for the Junior Challenge face-off, which covers math, science, English language, and social studies. Face-off 1 is in the category of mathematics. It's between the captain of Hagley Park Prep, Captain Jaden Russell, who is up against Tyreek Barnes of Ensom City Primary. Captain Jaden, we begin with you. What is the multiplicand in the operation 17 times 3 equals 51?
17.
That's right. Captain, if 8.5 over n equals 0.0085, what's the value of n?
100.
That's incorrect. Tyreek, want to try? Tyreek, want to try?
No, miss.
It's 1,000. Captain, what's the median of the numbers 2, 8, 9, 5, 7, and 6? Question passes. Tyreek, want to try?
Yes, miss. 6.5.
That is correct. Captain, what's the difference between 3,271 and 4,382?
1111.
That's right. Captain, what's the equivalent number for the Roman numerals M, C, M, L, V, I, I?
$1,957.
That is correct. Tyreek, we're now over to you. What's the product in the operation 43 times 2 equals 86?
86.
That's right. If 0.36 multiplied by y equals 36,000, what's the value of y?
10,000.
That's incorrect. Captain, want to try?
No, miss.
It's 100,000. Tyreek, what's the median of the numbers 4, 5, 7, 4, 8, and 4?
$4.5.
That is correct. What number must be added to 3,265 to make it 4,129?
$964.
Well, that's incorrect. Captain, want to try?
Yes, miss. 864.
That is correct. Tyreek, what's the equivalent number for the Roman numerals D, C, C, L, X, V, I, I?
768.
That is correct. Taking us now to our next face-off in the category of science. It's between Abasi Morrison of Hagley Park Prep, who's up against the captain of Ensom City Primary, Captain Aiden Johnson. Abasi, when the fulcrum is between the load and the effort, what specific class of lever is this?
First class lever.
That's right. Starting with the producer. Arrange this food chain in the correct order. Lion, grass, zebra.
Grass, zebra, lion.
That's right. What are the main creators of oxygen in the atmosphere?
Plants.
That's correct. Are cirrus clouds high, middle, or low-level clouds?
Middle.
That's incorrect. Aiden, want to try?
No, miss.
It's high. Abasi, what color results when red and blue colors of light are combined?
Purple.
That is correct. Aiden, we're now over to you. When the effort is between the load and the fulcrum, what specific class of lever is this?
Second class lever.
That's incorrect. Abasi, want to try?
Yes, Miss. Third.
That is correct. Aiden, starting with the producer, arrange this food chain in the correct order. Birds, nectar from flowers, butterflies.
Nectar, butterfly, bird.
That is correct. Aiden, through what process do plants create oxygen in the atmosphere?
Transpiration.
That's incorrect. Abasi, want to try?
No, Miss.
It's photosynthesis. Aiden, does the word stratus refer to a low, medium, or high-level cloud?
Low level cloud.
That is correct. What color results when green and red colors of light are combined?
Cyan.
That's, sorry, say again?
Cyan.
That's incorrect. Abasi, want to try?
No, Miss.
It's yellow. And that takes us now to our next face-off in the category of English language. It's between Travis Livingston of Hagley Park Prep. Travis is up against A-Marie Johnson of Ensom City Primary. Travis, spell chauffeur.
Chauffeur. Chauffeur. Chauffeur.
That is correct. What part of speech is the word well as used in the following sentence? The boy fell into the well.
Noun.
That's right. What's the singular form of the word criteria? Question passes. A-Marie, want to try?
No, miss.
It's criterion. Travis, what specific tense is used in this sentence? I will be working in Spain next year.
Future continuous.
That's right. Form an adverb from the word legal.
Legally.
That is correct. Taking us now over to A-Marie. Spell juvenile.
Juvinile.
That's incorrect. Travis, want to try?
No, Miss.
It's juvenile. Juvenile. A-Marie, what part of speech is blue as used in the following sentence? The girl was feeling blue after failing her test.
Verb.
That's incorrect. Travis, want to try?
Yes, Miss. Adjective.
That is correct. A-Marie, what's the singular form of the word appendices?
Appendicitis.
That's incorrect. Travis, want to try?
No, thank you.
Appendix. A-Marie, what specific tense is used in this sentence? I have lived in many countries.
Past continuous.
That's incorrect. Travis, want to try? Travis, want to try?
Yes, Miss. Present continuous.
That's incorrect as well. It's present perfect. A-Marie, form an adjective from the word mess.
Messy.
That is correct. Taking us now to our next face-off in the category of social studies. It's between Gianni Watson of Hagley Park Prep. Gianni goes up against DeAndre Lee of Ensom City Primary. Gianni, the Jamaica House building is featured on which Jamaican banknote?
$1,000 banknote.
That is correct. Gianni, is Jamaica to the north, south, east, or west of the prime meridian?
West.
That's right. In which parish was former Jamaican Prime Minister Bruce Golding born?
St. Mary.
That's incorrect. DeAndre, want to try?
No, Miss.
St. Catherine. Gianni, who has been the only female Prime Minister of Dominica? Question passes. DeAndre, want to try?
Yes, Miss. Dame Eugenia Charles.
That is correct. Gianni, which major line of latitude is located at 66.5 degrees south of the equator?
Antarctic Circle.
That is correct. DeAndre, over to you. Dunn's River Falls is featured on which Jamaican banknote?
$100 banknote.
That's correct. Is the Greenwich Meridian a line which passes through a place in London, Paris, Geneva, or Rome?
London.
That's right. In which parish was former Jamaican Prime Minister Hugh Shearer born?
St. Andrew.
That's incorrect. Gianni, want to try?
No, thank you.
Trelawney. DeAndre, who has been the only female president of Guyana? Question passes. Gianni, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's Janet Jagan. DeAndre, which major line of latitude is located at 23.5 degrees north of the equator?
Tropic of Cancer.
That is correct. And that's the end of the final face-off and the end of section 2. The scores are Ensom City Primary on 15 and Hagley Park Prep on 19. Stay tuned. The final challenge will determine our winners right after this break.